In this video, you'll learn how to design a mobile-friendly email in Mailchimp using its built-in tools and preview features. To begin, click the Create Email button to start composing a new email campaign in Mailchimp. Here, you can choose how you want your email to be designed. You'll see options such as From Scratch, Basic Layout, and Fully Designed Template. Next, select the Basic Layout option. This provides a pre-built layout that is easier to adjust for mobile screens. After customizing your content, click Apply to see how your changes will appear. Then, your email design will open. Next, you'll see the Content Blocks option. From there, you can choose any block you need and drag it into your email design. Now, drag an image content block into your email layout. Then, to add text, select the paragraph block so you can enter your message. Then, you can type and customize the content however you like. Once you've finished customizing your email, you're ready to move on to the next step. Finally, click Preview option. After clicking Preview, you'll be able to see your email. At the top, you'll find two view options, desktop and mobile. Click on the mobile option to see exactly how your email will appear on a phone. This ensures your design is mobile-friendly before sending. You now know how to make your Mailchimp emails look great on mobile devices.